The special ingredient in all of this is you. It is you. I know stepping in front of the camera delivering can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with practice, your comfort levels will rise more and more. Don't just jump in front of the camera all uncomfortable and stuff. Stand in front of the mirror for about 15 to 20 minutes every day and just do your spiel while really watching how you look speaking. Do you look relaxed or uptight? What are you doing with your hands? Do you have a nervous shake or talk too fast? Are you putting that right emphasis in the right place? Use this opportunity to really study yourself so that muscle memory can kick in when it comes to performance time. And last but not least, believe. Because I believe in you. But also, if things get a little too hard, download a teleprompter app and have a homie hold it up on a tablet.